Hello everyone, I'm back with another trading session. I go with the buyers here. Let's be honest, I was about to take this trade and then I saw that it's opening with crazy gap up. Okay, because gap up is basically in the favor of sellers when we're about to take a buy trade. Okay, so this doji trade has been invalidated for me on this candle because of this gap. If it was closing right here, I would go with the bars. Okay, but this one right against this candle, instead of gap up, is started with this gap down. I don't know if you can see that, but it's starting with a little bit of gap down and it's kind of visible that it's going to go up. Okay, because you know, if you look at this doji, just like the previous doji, after breaking the doji, it started with the gap up. Okay, just like this one, it started with the gap up. I thought we might have a red candle just like this one, so I didn't take this trade. Okay, and that's basically a good decision, because you know, in when you are about to take a buy trade, okay, let's say after this candle you want to take a buy trade, okay, then the next candle opens with a jump from the upside. Okay, so this is called gap up and it's in the favor of sellers. And when you're about to take a sell trade, okay, let's say you want to sell after this candle, and then the next candle opens with the gap down, okay, and it goes up. So the gap down is with the buyers and gap up is with the sellers. Okay, so now we're breaking this doji again. Okay, and beside that we also breaking this overlap. Also we have this common point of rejection. Let's see if we're gonna break this, both of them. After breaking them, I will go a high risk trade. Why? Because you can see that this is a minor trend. Okay, we might start a trend. Okay, I go with the sellers for 50 because it's high risk, right? Because we're clearly starting a momentum. We don't have any gap. If we had a gap up, we could say this is a good trade, but we don't have any gap, so it might be a healthy trend starting to the upside, just like this one. Okay, just like this one. This is a rally and then base, and then again we can have a rally, but we will see if this overlap in doji is going to work here, but it's high risk. All right, okay, let me just check other pairs to see if we have better trades to take. This session probably is going to be maximum 10 minutes, and normally in 10 minutes you're going to see 2, maybe 3 very nice trades. Okay, so if I'm gonna take 5 perfect trades, we're gonna need about 30 or 40 minutes. That's why sometimes I take risky trades, but I lower the amount, so we're fine. Okay, let me see. Okay, you can see that it keeps going up without any sort of gap, so this means that this is a solid momentum to the upside. Just like this one, you see how beautiful the trend is. We see maximum 1 or 2 red candles. Okay, previously after 3 candles, consecutive candles, 2 times we had a retracement. On this one, let's say the retracements both have some imbalance in itself. Let's see after this candle what we're gonna face. Okay, we have this level right here. It doesn't care about the levels, we just have to see what's happening. Okay, 2, 1. Okay, yes, you can see I go 2 trades. You can see just as the same previous times that we got the retracement here. If you zoom here, you can see that we have gap down in both of them. Gap up. Okay, this one has a gap down, this one has a gap up, this one also has a gap down. So here you can see 3 consecutive bullish candles, 3 consecutive bullish, and then again 3 consecutive bullish candles, and then a gap that gives us retracement. Okay, so this is called market sequence. I go 250 here, one for making up the previous loss. We have a old ass doji here being broken. It also might be a good reason to take this, but I didn't see that, to be honest, and I'm taking only because of the market sequence and the gap. Okay, yes, that's a winning trade. sometimes you have to really look at the market like a puzzle, because it really is a puzzle. Okay. Okay, for example, here we have a ranging market. It's literally, I'm doing this every single day, and that's literally the same. Okay, have to really find your way and you're fine forever. Okay, so here we have a common point of rejection. This one is really safer. See how many times it got rejected from this. So imagine it's coming up, we're gonna enter right here. Okay, so let's say we have a doji instead of this one. So this candle comes up and closes here, the next candle comes up, and then we enter. That'd be sick, right? Okay, I change this to 200 because I want to take a good trade. Look at this one, this doji here. Like every time we break in this doji, we have a red candle. So if I draw the line precisely, you can see that, oh, we're breaking this doji on this candle. So normally we can have a red candle after this one, but I kind of don't trust this. Okay, but we're having a ranging market here for sure. Oh, we have a crazy doji here. We have a crazy doji here. I'm gonna take this trade. Okay, I marked this doji. I want to show you something. Let's see if it's gonna break this doji. This doji is gonna create a range for us. Okay. Let's see if I can take some trades on this range. Just checking other pairs to see. I'm really struggling to find some good trades today. Okay, I'm gonna take a sell, okay? 2-1. Okay, yes, we also have a gap up, you see? So this doji here is responsible for giving us a ranging market. Alright, you see what I marked? This doji is gonna cause a ranging market for us. The next level is gonna touch is this area and then go up, break maybe, or break this from the downside, and then we can take retracement trades. Okay, you can see this is also a QM. This trade. But let's go back to 1 minute. So we took advantage of this doji. You know, the bigger the doji is and the smaller the body of it is, which is in this case we don't have anybody on this one, it's higher chance to have a beautiful range. So when we have beautiful range, you can take advantage of the resistance and support of that range. Okay, you can, of course, you have to combine with other things. Alright, you know what, if this candle is gonna break right now, I will take this one as well. Okay, I will take this one as well, but I will take with 200. Let's see if we're gonna end this trading session with a loss or with a win. Okay, let's see if it's gonna break that. I'd really love to take this trade. Okay, we also have an overlapping level. We might take a double trade on this one. I will take a double trade on this one. Don't reject. Okay, I go double trade on this one, boys. We also have a gap up. You see this gap up? It's beautiful. Okay, we're either gonna end this trading session with a double loss, basically destroy our profit, or we're just gonna win this. These dojis are usually so trustworthy because they have such a long body. You know, the longer the body is. Look at this one. This is another doji. I mean, the dojis, the perfect dojis are with no body. Okay, they're no body. And for morning start as well, if the doji has no body, is more likely to give you the retracement for the morning star pattern. So in this case, we have exhaustion candle, okay, which is closing on this bars area, okay, and then this one is starting to gap up, but this gap up is starting from the round number, so it can be a good trade for us. Dojis are so powerful, man. Okay, 2-1, that's a winning trade. Thank God. All right, I'm gonna end this session right here. Finally took some good trades. Thank you for watching, everybody, and peace out.